Hello guys, I'm about to get ready for the gym. My room here is a actual mess. Like, it's so messy over there. I haven't unpacked 2 bags that are outside my door. So today that is my task. Probably tonight I'm going to take the time to unpack everything and try to clean it up. It's just hard because my room here, like, I don't really have a lot of storage for stuff, and I don't really feel like investing in it because I'm only here like 4 months of the year. So we just kind of work with what we have. Like, these decorations were from my dorm room, so I kind of like have spiced up my room already, but in the summer I think I'm going to try to transform it, paint the walls, etc. But I just had a bagel for breakfast, and then I think I'm going to eat a little bit of lunch before I go to the gym. But I just picked out my gym outfit, so I'm going to show you guys that right now. So starting off, we have the Gymshark. I think these are like the Hyper Amplify. They have like the little booty situation going on. I just really like these. They're very comfy. Then I'm pairing them with the Buff Bunny sports bra. I forgot to bring my black Gymshark sports bras home, but I love this bra. It has such a fun back, and it's going to be perfect for back day because that's what today is. And then I'm just going to go in wearing a long sleeve just because I get cold at the start and then I get hot really fast. And then just some black socks. I'm gonna wear some black shoes, and then I have my black Notorious Lift slippers. So whenever I need to get ready, I always just play All Too Well by Taylor Swift because it's 10 minutes, and then after those 10 minutes I'm like, gotta go, gotta go. So with that being said, it's time to get ready. Okay, here is the finished look. Finished before All Too Well did. Mia! Hi! Okay, okay. Sit down. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi. She brought her ball on my bed. That means she wants to play, and she's gonna be really upset when she sees that I'm actually leaving. Okay, okay. That's enough. You're done. You're done. Okay, hello guys. We are in the car. We're about to go. I didn't end up eating before just because I didn't really have time, and I feel okay. Like, I feel kind of full still from breakfast, but I did bring my protein Rice Krispie treat. It's like this big clump because I didn't cut them. So I'm gonna eat that before, and then I'll just eat a nice lunch afterwards. But I also didn't take pre because I think I want Starbucks later, and I don't like to double up on the caffeine. I like to do one or the other. I've also been trying to wean off of pre-workout because I feel like I had this major reliance towards it for a while, so I'm kind of trying to just like take a step back from pre and just kind of work out naturally. But I know some days I really need it, and some days I'm exhausted, especially if I go at night. But it's only noon right now, so I feel fine to just go pre-list. It's just frustrating to come home from college and like have to find a gym that you can go to for, you know, like a month period. It's fine for a week period because a lot of gyms do like week pass, day pass, but for a month it's a lot harder because it's like you either have to sign and cancel or you have to just do something. Like, I don't understand why gyms haven't thought to do a student pass. I just feel like it would make the most sense logically. I paid for a month pass, so I'll be able to work out here for a month. I do really like this gym because it is very comfortable to film in. Like, everyone does it and no one really gives a fuck. So that's the one thing I like about this gym that I feel like I wouldn't find at another gym. Like, I wouldn't be comfortable necessarily bringing my Sony and tripod to One Life. Like, I will, but it's just not as comfortable as it is at this gym. I have to hop on the highway to get to the gym. It's so weird being back here because I feel like it's so busy and chaotic here. Like, we'll just drive and stay in here and I hate it, but you know what? We gotta hold our ground, put this Honda Civic in sport, and get to the gym. So I need to go, guys. I'm sorry, I'm just rambling because I'm like putting it off, but it's gonna be a back day plus sumo day. I decided to do sumos here because they have a deadlift bar, so it's just a lot nicer equipment, nicer to grip, but it's in kilograms, so I like never know if I'm doing the right weight, so I gotta have my conversions ready to go. I'll take videos of what I do a quick voiceover, and then I don't really know how much else I'm gonna be putting in this vlog because I don't really have anything else to do today. Whatever else I do, I will put in the vlog, and I'll update you guys after the gym. So love you guys, and let's get this work. Okay, besties, for a quick little voiceover of this workout, we're starting out with sumo deadlifts. This time I'm doing eccentric lower, so what that means is on the way down, I'm trying to lower it slower than I would usually. I was going for like a 2 to 3 second lower. So as you guys can see here, I'm coming up at normal speed and trying to slow the lower. Usually I would kind of drop down a lot faster. So I'm really working on slowing that lower. As I did this, I felt tons more glute engagement. And also this is just a good way to gain control of the movement. So here's another clip of me doing the deadlifts. And I want to talk about setup. So you want to have a nice width apart with your toes slightly pointed out. Take a nice brace,
pull the slack out the bar, that's what that is, and then really focus on each rep being nice and clean, ensuring that your hips stay at the same site every time that you are relifting off the ground. Hopefully this makes sense and hopefully you can see what I'm talking about, but if you have any questions, feel free to DM me. Now we're going to be going into some lat pull downs. I literally have to stand on the bench of this machine just to pull the things down. I don't know why they have the handles so tall, but here I'm just using these fun attachments. This gym does have really fun attachments, especially for back day. They have a lot of different machines than I feel like you can get at a commercial gym, but everything that I'm doing here you can 100% do at a commercial gym. If you have any questions anytime, let me know and I can tell you guys some machine swaps. But here it's just a classic lat pull down as if you were using the normal bar, and I like to not really use my thumbs. I found that letting my thumbs loose has helped me to get more lat engagement, because when I use my thumbs for some reason they overcompensate. Now we're going to be going into a seated row. I really like to do seated rows. This attachment was a bit of a wider grip than I'm used to, but I did really like it. I felt like it hit the back right. Another thing that you can do if you don't want to do a double arm thing is you can do a single arm protonated row. I have a lot of videos where I'm doing that on my Instagram if you're interested in doing that, or you can do this exact same movement but with a close grip attachment, and so you're doing a closer grip row. This was a fun and different variation. As you can see, the back was working with it, so I really enjoyed doing this. Now we're going into a chest supported row. I haven't started doing these until recently, but I honestly love them. I usually would do a bent over row, but I feel like I don't have enough control of that movement yet. And this, isolating the chest, not allowing you to use your lower body and only driving the force of the movement with your upper body, has helped me a lot to really feel my lats. I feel like that's something that I've really struggled with. And here you can see that they're really getting engaged and working. And with the chest support, you're not using any part of your body at all. You're just using your upper body, which helps to really learn that movement pattern. Then we're going to be going into some biceps. So what I'm doing here is I'm leaning against this little, like, I don't even know what to call this. You can do it against a wall, but this is like a little like pad or something. And leaning against it is going to stop the momentum of your body from compensating and helping you with the curls. So here, I just have my elbows and my upper arm resting on it, and for each rep, I'm going until my arm moves flat. Sorry, Mia's moving. Until my arm moves flat, and these reps are so much harder. I could do 10s for 20 reps, no support, but with this, 10 reps was hard to get out. Last but not least, we have basically another single arm lat pull down variation. The lighting was really bright here, but you guys can still see what I'm doing. So I'm using a cable attachment. I'm going on my knees, and from high to low, I'm basically pulling down as if it's a lat pull down, but only with one arm at a time. I have found that this helped me a lot with single arm isolation, as well as realizing and addressing some muscular imbalances from right to left. My left arm is definitely weaker than my right arm, and so being able to address that with single arm movements has been very helpful. And that is all for the workout. If you guys have any questions ever about workout form, anything like that, feel free to DM me on Instagram at legswithschmegs. But I also have a bunch of workouts over there that you guys can do as well. But I've been really enjoying filming for you guys on YouTube, so feel free to drop any requests or anything that you're wanting to see next. Hi guys, I just got such a good workout in. I'm about to hit the road, and then I'm gonna go to Kohl's. My mom asked me to pick up her Kohl's order, and I have to go inside, guys, and I didn't bring a change of clothes. I'm gonna put my shirt back on at least, but like, how embarrassing. The moms in Kohl's are gonna be like, and I'm gonna be like, anyways, I'm gonna go to Kohl's, and then since Starbucks is right there, I'm probably just gonna eat at Starbucks too. Then I'm gonna go home and figure out my plans for the rest of the day. I think I'm hanging out with my boyfriend at some point. It's so easy to hang out with him now because like he lives 5 minutes away from me here, whereas like we're doing long distance down at school. So super excited to just get a nice chill day in, and then I need to clean my freaking room tonight. I'm gonna deep clean. Honestly, this has been a good day. My workout's gone really well. I need to eat lunch. I need Starbucks. I need to get the order. The amount of people who said they enjoy watching my vlogs made me so happy, because I was honestly like, I feel like I'm such a boring person. Like, I don't really do much in a day, so I only try to vlog on the days where I have a lot to do. But if you guys want to come with me for the rest of the day, feel free. If you don't want to do that and you just were here for the workout, I love you and I hope you enjoyed it. Got my Starbucks instead of pre-workout. This is my treat. Peppermint mocha has been my literal favorite, and I got my mom something too. I got her a little peppermint mocha she doesn't like a lot. If you guys followed me on Instagram, then you know I was eating this pesto chicken sandwich since the literal beginning of the school year, and I took a break from it, but I'm back at it, y'all. It's so freaking good. Here's what it's looking like at the end. Bussin'.
Okay, I came home to my awfully package. I said I wasn't gonna buy more full price, but I bought one pair. But the reason, because they had it in sage green. We're gonna unbox it together. I need scissors. This is my last purchase though, like real talk, last purchase of the amplifies. Unless the mocha comes back in stock. If it does, just, I'm saying it now, I'm gonna get them. I love brown. These are the amplifies in dusty green. They were giving like sage vibes, which is why I got them. Oh my gosh. Okay, so honestly, they're giving a bit more, they're kind of sage, kind of like olive. The lighting isn't the best in here right now. Okay, I'm on my floor because the lighting is better this way, but these are the Breeze lightweight seamless, okay? Super stretchy and super thin. These are the amplifies. Super stretchy and super thin. So they're so similar and I love these. These are from Gymshark, but they stopped making them. I have beef with them about that. Okay, please, I'm so sorry. I'm literally on the floor so low. I need to bring my tripod up here, but I wanted to show you these leggings. I don't regret this one bit. I really don't. I'll be wearing these super soon. I love them. 10 on 10 recommend. If you guys get anything, use code Jessica to support my girl Jessica. I use that support code on my order. She's gorgeous. She's a model for them actually. Okay, here's how they fit. I'm obsessed. Y'all already knew that though. I didn't want to like these. I really didn't, because these are a really unhealthy and high dollar price thing to enjoy. But I can't. I understand the hype completely. I'm gonna see how they hold up though. I'm not sure because they're thin if there's gonna be like any pilling or anything getting messed up. And my biggest fear is truly the booty scrunch coming out. That's my biggest fear in any pair of leggings. I love a good green. I couldn't pass it up. I'm waiting for my Honor stuff to come in. I ordered an Honor Active green sweat set, so whenever that comes in, I'm gonna vlog that on my Instagram as well. Material girl. Literally 8 o'clock. I was at my boyfriend's house for a few hours. We watched 3 episodes of Survivor. My family is ordering takeout. We're getting Mexican. I'm excited. I'm gonna get taquitos and then I'm just gonna eat the chips and salsa. And then the rest of the night I'm just gonna be spending probably cleaning my room and then editing this video. So I'll put clips of that, but this is probably like nearing the end of the video.
New collar reveal. Show Mia. Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, you look gorgeous. Then I spent basically the rest of my night cleaning my room and watching Survivor on Teleparty with my boyfriend. When I say I was going at it with the cleaning, I was going at it. At school, I've like gained this routine of really being really tidy, having a clean space, having a space that I kind of created on my own. So whenever I come home, it's really hard because my room at home is just a collection of things that I've had since I was literally in like first grade. And so it's really hard because you slowly have to declutter, but you also kind of have to keep some old furniture and old things just because I'm not going to buy completely new things for my room. So I have a lot of storage, but also not a lot of storage. Like it doesn't hold the stuff that I need to hold in the right way. But I was able to make it work. I unpacked. I got it as clean as I can. And I'm definitely going to have a little room transformation journey at some point where I really start to declutter and really clean it out, repaint the walls, etc. Here I'm just responding to a few emails from companies and things like that that I needed to catch up on. And then I'm doing my night routine and I'm hitting the sheets. It was a nice fun day and thank you guys for joining me. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a like. And if you're new, please feel free to subscribe for more content like this, as well as a bunch of other different kind of content. I'm definitely going to try to be posting a lot more in the month of December and January just to really rev up the YouTube grind. So I'm really looking forward to more videos. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!